Hello and welcome. My name is Chris Friday, and I will be taking you through a fantastic customer service journey utilizing Zendesk. Today I have prepared 3 journeys, all that relate to one excellent customer experience. I have broken the journeys into smaller scenarios, but these 3 acts will all come together to show the power of Zendesk. Soon you will be introduced to our 3 characters, Chris, Haley, and Jason, all of whom play distinct roles in our video. Don't worry, there are no villains or monsters, but if excellent customer service scares you, you may want to turn away now. Our 3 journeys today are: Chris makes changes based upon powerful analytics, Haley looks for answers and gets help, and Jason utilizes Chris's changes to make Haley happy. So let's get started. Hola, Chris. Let's meet Chris. Chris is a business analyst and he uses Zendesk Analytics to ensure that the customer needs are being met. He really enjoys using Zendesk because of how easy it is to find trends and make changes. So what motivates Chris? Well, in his words, I have a tremendous job. I can easily be proactive for my customer needs, and my passion is running. And being less stressed at work has given me faster times on the trails. It's a win-win. So let's see how fast Chris can run this change. Chris is going to utilize Zendesk Explorer to show trends. The trends he's seeing is that there are a lot of queries coming in from login issues with the company's mobile app. Well, after he's analyzed this, Chris knows that there's an easy fix around this to have his agents issue authorization codes to mobile phones directly from Zendesk, and will author a quick article for agents to point them in the right direction. Chris is now logged into the agent dashboard within Zendesk, and this is the place that he can go to look at analytics as well as make changes. Click on the Explore button and over to the incidents. Looking at my dashboard within Explore, I can see within the Incidents tab, there's all sorts of information being presented to me, but specifically is that there are a lot of tickets coming in around app login problems. Let's explore this further. To dig in further, I'm going to go over to my views and know that I've created a view specifically for login issues. And I can see here that there are a lot of tickets coming in around unable to log into my app. Well, I know that there's a quick fix, and I'm going to create a knowledge article to tell the agents on how to perform a simple macro to create an authorization for the mobile application login. To create that article, I'm going to go over to my guide section and create a quick article and give it a title. Select a section. I'm going to put this under announcements, real easy for my agents. And now, through the magic of Hollywood, we'll create a really quick article. And voila, there's our simple article. All I have to do now is change it from draft to published and create it. My article is now ready for the agents to use to help customers with these type of login issues. So let's recap. We met Chris, who is a business analyst using Zendesk. He used Zendesk Explorer to dig into a trending issue. Utilizing the power of reporting, Chris was able to quickly recognize a new issue and create content for agents for quick remediation. But that's not where our story ends. Let's meet Haley. Haley loves fashion and deal hunting, and she is a competitive ballroom dancer. She has an upcoming competition this week and has found the perfect gown for it. So what motivates Haley? Haley's always on the go and either teaching dance students or she's at competitions. She loves to look her best on the dance floor and she has found the perfect place to go to get her outfits. Well, she's found her gown, but the real issue here is that Haley needs it very soon in just a few days, and she can't log into her mobile account to check on the status of the shipping. Let's follow Haley's journey. Haley's going to go to the web portal and search for answers on why she can't authenticate into her mobile application. She can't find anything that really helps her out, so she's going to submit an online request. As you can see, this can be pretty stressful because Haley needs answers quickly. Let's show what that looks like. Haley has come to the customer support site to perform a search to help her log in. Her search has returned one knowledge piece. As she reads through this piece of knowledge, she feels that she needs more information. Haley's going to go and submit a ticket. From the ticket form, she has a choice to choose what type of issue she has. Choose General Support, and that will automatically create a form for her. She's going to click in her subject line and enter a subject and a description. And then what best describes her issue. We're going to choose login password issues. At this point, Haley's going to submit the ticket. Easy enough. She gets a recap of what she just sent, a request number, and now Haley's ticket has been submitted to Zendesk for it to be worked on. Well, that was awfully fast. What did we just witness here? Well, Haley needed an answer fast, and she went directly to the Help Center website to get that. Unfortunately, Haley couldn't find something that could fix her own issue, so she submitted a request to get assisted service. Now, I know what you're thinking. Couldn't we have just created content for Haley to help herself? Of course we could. But if we did that, we couldn't see what excellent customer service Jason is going to give using Zendesk support. Say hi to Jason. Jason is one of the top agents at his company and is currently assigned to field email requests for servicing. He is working towards a promotion and is already well on his way, having earned the title that month for the lowest average handle time with first call resolution. Jason values his time and really only wants to work 9 to 5. Why, you ask? Well, that is part of his motivation. He says he wants to be able to work his job, make sure that he gets everything done, but he just got out of college and moved to Seattle. He has a new girlfriend and he wants to spend as much time with her as possible. Now the stories come all together. Jason receives that support ticket that Haley created and automatically finds the newly created knowledge article that Chris created. This helps Jason quickly resolve Haley's request by offering her a new authorization code directly to her mobile phone. Let's see how. Jason has logged into Zendesk support to start servicing emails that have been sent into the queue. He's at his email view, which has been organized to show different categories presented to Jason based upon the incoming traffic. Jason's going to click on Login Issues and see that the newly submitted ticket from Haley, I can't log into my app, was just submitted and he's going to service this. As Jason opens up the ticket, he is presented with specific information from Haley's support case. The first thing Jason's going to do is take ownership of the case. From here, he can see the demographic information and the specific request sent in from Haley. Moving up the breadcrumb trail, he can also see Haley's demographic information and other tickets that she has submitted. This may give Jason an insight into the issues or other issues that Haley has been encountering. Going back to the ticket specifics, Jason reads the conversation from Haley. She needs to log into her mobile application and it is requiring to get an authorization code. Please help as she needs to check on the status of the shipment. Well, in order to help, Jason's going to go and use some of the apps that are associated within Zendesk. Jason can see this path that Haley took using Pathfinder app, saw that she searched for app, and then looked at an article on login assistance and then created her ticket. Moving down, he can also see some answer suggestions. One about that login assistance that Haley already looked at, and then another, how to send an authorization code. Well, this looks like it matches to the request that Haley's speaking about. Jason's going to open this up, and this is the knowledge article that Chris just authored. It will take Jason through step by step how to create that authorization code using macros with pictures, and then be able to present that back to Haley. Having read this article, Jason is going to use this to solve Haley's issue. Jason will go to the macro section, click on authentication, and then click on confirm authentication code by reissue of SMS. This will automatically send back to Haley the authorization code that she needs within her app to gain access to her shipment information. To finish the support case, Jason's going to submit as solved. This will take all the data that both Haley has submitted into the case and Jason has worked on and wrap up the case and submit to close. Well, that came full circle. We just saw how Jason accepted a ticket, found an answer, and fixed the issue very quickly using Zendesk. This quick journey today showed all our three characters interacting in different ways using Zendesk. Chris helped analyze and create content. Haley used Help Center and submitted a request. And Jason used support and Chris's created content to provide Haley fast and reliable customer service. Thank you for watching.